Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger trade recap. So today we went crazy today, bro. Holy shit. Today's trade was absolutely amazing. Like an A plus setup, bro. I literally haven't seen a setup like this in like a month, bro. Like everything was perfect about this trade. So as you can see right here, we made 3.6K across 5 accounts. So that puts us a little over 18K on the day. And we're up 30K on the week, so it's been a really good week so far. But yeah, let's get into this trade really quick, and let me show you what I took. I'm gonna remove all of these real quick. Go all the way back to, let's go back to 6:30 real quick. Go right here and show you what I was looking at for the day. All right, so actually, let me go back one more candle right here. Okay, so going into the day, right, we are obviously bullish because we are rejecting off of this hourly gap right here, and we have this high right here and then this high right here to target. Okay, so now going down to the lower time frame, we also have this internal high right here, and we also have this 15-minute gap right here, which we should look to respect, right? Two 15-minute gaps that we should look to respect.
Thank you.
So now going into market open, if we play out the candles, let me go to the 5-minute, actually, it should be easier. Okay, playing out the candles, we see that on the hourly, we take out this internal low right here, and then we reject cleanly off of it, and then we displace higher, right? So this is still supporting our bullish bias, and we invert this 5-minute right here, and we want to take a trade now to this high. All right, so we're looking for a little bit of a retrace after that inverse. So we push higher, and then looking at the 5-minute now, we see that we have this 5-minute gap created right here. Oops, 1 second. We have this 5-minute gap created right here. So we want to retrace out of it and a reaction out of it. So playing a few more candles, we see that there's this bearish gap right here. We're stalling a little bit. We reject to push lower into this 5-minute gap. And now what we're looking for is this, right? This displacing candle that inverses this 1 minute perfectly reacts off this 5-minute gap. And that is our entry right there. All right, so we enter over here, TP over here, right? You either go break even at this internal high right here, or you go break even at this internal high right here. I went break even at this internal high right here because it's pretty close to this internal high, another internal high on the higher time frame. So if we play some candles right here, I went in with 3 contracts, and then my stop loss was right at the body right here, and then my TP was at this high right here. Oh, okay, I don't know why this just went away. Anyway, let's just play the candles real quick. So now I go break even right here, and my fill was absolutely perfect because, bro, our entry got edged, bro. Like, our break even got edged by 2 ticks. So there was a chance that we could have gone break even on this trade, but this gap ended up holding, and then we pushed higher and higher. And then around this point right here, there was a SMT. So ES actually took this high before NQ did. So I ended up trailing my stop to right here because this was the most recent high that got took out. And we have a fair value gap right here. So it should hold if we want to go and take out this target, which it did. And playing out the candles, right, we banked. So full TP ended up getting hit. And even if full TP didn't end up getting hit and my trailing stop got hit, I still would have been up 10K for the day. So it still would have been a W either way. This was an A+++ setup. Everything about this was perfect, right? Looking over it again, going to the 1 hour internal sweep of this low inside an hourly fair value gap. Beautiful rejection, 5-minute inverse, and then a retracement into a 5-minute fair value gap. Beautiful rejection, beautiful displacing candle that inverses this 1 minute. Oh my God, bro. Everything about this was textbook. It's been so long since we had a trade like this. So, wow, it's just beautiful when you get trades like this, bro. It's just beautiful. It's so simple. It's so clean. You're super confident taking trades like this. I wish every single day was like this, bro. Everybody would be rich. I know a lot of people took this as well. I was looking like on TikTok and like Instagram. Everybody took this trade, bro. This shit was so obvious. Yeah, also people on my Discord took this as well. So actually, even before we go into who took it on my Discord, if you're not in my Discord already, join up. I do live streams on Mondays and Fridays, and Tuesday through Thursday, I do index analysis where, you know, I say my analysis for the day, right? I said there were 2 targets for today, this high and this high. This high didn't end up getting taken, but this was our target anyway. So this ended up getting taken out. And then I also called out the internal liquidity right here. So there was a condition for this, right? If we end up displacing lower past this low, then this would be our target. And if we reject off this low, then we're still bullish, and that's what we ended up doing, right? We ended up rejecting off of this low and pushed higher. So I called that out in the Discord. People use that to their advantage. A lot of people banked right here, execution right here as well. Beautiful fill. So this was my execution. Beautiful fill, trailed my stop right here, TP right here, as you can see. This dude took it, right? SMT at the highs. This dude passes eval. If we go to trades, people sent their stuff in trades right here. He took this trade. He entered like a little bit late, but this was still valid, right? You're reacting off that 1 minute displacement. Still a continuation trade. That's pretty good. Another continuation entry. Another trade right here. Everybody banked, bro. Everybody banked. He got break even. Some people got break even because of a bad fill. He got fucked by the spreads. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. A lot of people banked on that trade. If we go a little bit higher as well. Yeah. He took this. He took this. So yeah. I mean, everybody took this trade, bro. Basically, everybody took this trade. So if you're not in the Discord, join up. But yeah, that's basically it for this trade recap. Pretty quick, pretty simple. W week. Tomorrow's a bank holiday. We're not going to be trading. And then on Friday, might just go a little bit light size, unless there's something super, super clear, which I really don't think is going to happen because we already had 2 banger setups. So yeah, I mean, maybe we'll take a payout next week. I'm pretty close to that 10K balance. But yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys next video.